This is real life, real time. This is what I'm looking at right now. That's in the sky. Don't know what it is. It came out of nowhere, really. But this shit is so real. Excuse my language, but this is the real deal. I said I wasn't gonna believe it till I seen it, and here it is. It's huge, you guys. I'm so far away from this thing, and that thing is still huge. Oh my gosh. They not lying.
Motherfucker, going slow.
It is going slow and it's just hovering. This is the real deal. It's like, oh my gosh, I can't believe what I'm seeing right now. I know y'all really can't see, but that right there that's in that sky is right there in that sky. Don't supposed to be there. And they turned the light on. Look, they turned the light back on. And it ain't even, what time? It's 6 o'clock. This thing wants to be seen. Whatever it is. Look, you see that light? Oh my gosh. We parked on the side of the freeway, really just watching it. This is Dallas, Texas, right off 75. This is the real deal, guys. Them folks online up in New York, New Jersey. What is it doing? Girl, I never think I'll catch some stuff like this, but here it is. It is huge, you guys. No lie. I'm on the way on the other side of town. I see this. It's going, look, it's just there, y'all. It's just there.
I saw the
That's a plane right there, y'all.
first of all,
This right here
before you talk bad about something,
is something else. And it's just hovering. It's hovering, y'all.
You're plane over there is going towards the motherfucker. That don't move.
That's the plane right there. Y'all
That
see it
bitch ain't
moving. That is not moving. That is hovering, like I just said.
I'm trying to see if the bitch gonna come back in.
This is crazy, y'all. This is crazy. Them folks was out there tripping. I didn't think they was tripping anyways. But I just had to see it for myself. Oh, and my phone about to go dead.
There's a plane. That motherfucker moving.
And you heard it.
But that over there, by that light pole over there, right there, look how slow that bitch going. There's a plane. That motherfucker moving. There's a plane. But that over there,
That is crazy. It's just right there, y'all. If it's moving inches. It's moving inches. This is Dallas, Texas again, y'all. Right here on 175. Not 175, 75. This is the real deal. This is the real deal, y'all. plane. It's a plane right there. Y'all see this? This is the real deal. This is not no hoax, no joke. This is the real deal. Dallas, Texas. Look, bro, that is crazy. What is going on?
Look at how slow it's going. I'm out 75 in Dallas, Texas, man. Look at it.
See that plane going, look.
That's a plane on top of pass. Look at that motherfucker.
That's what they talking about them orbs. It looked like an orb from so far back. Nah, that's a real deal, bro. That ain't no orb. That's a craft. A huge one at that. Almost shaped like a saucer. Look at it.
Hey, this, I do.
Damn, I wish I had somebody to see right the fuck over
Hey, we need some binoculars or something.
there. That ain't going in circles.
Slow. It's just it's going around on the city. It's definitely going around on the city.
Yeah.
Look, it's
in that area.
there go the lights again. It's downtown Dallas over there, y'all. Downtown Dallas. Right here. It's in downtown Dallas. My phone about to go dead. Oh my goodness, y'all. My phone about to go dead. But y'all stay tuned for more excitement because they is out here. They out here. That ain't no plane. That ain't no helicopter. That ain't nothing what they saying. And I knew it ain't no drone. For sure. Look at that. These people just so oblivious to, they just walking. They don't even see it. I see it. I'll get back with y'all. I'm about to die. But that